Action.
Okay, so we're just doing some code modifications to get serial port commands over to these motors. With a couple of different configurations running each motor in each direction, and then going forward, all backwards, and stopping. So yeah, we're just getting this to the point of being able to be tested. I've got the code over here and the serial box here where we can enter in our commands. So it's already running up there. So we can do things like run the right motor forward, the capital R forward, S is a stop for the right motor. Then there's a lowercase r, which would run the right motor in the opposite direction.
Second.
Stop. We got things like capital F is going to run both motors forward. Capital S will stop both motors.
Would small s stop both motors, or would it only stop?
Small s is going to stop the right motor only, and a small p is going to stop the left motor only. So fine-grained control for those if you want to do that. Capital S is probably all you'll ever do is just stop everything. But the commands were kind of hard.
And that makes sense if the small s stops the right, that's starboard, and the small p stops the left, that's port. And that's why Andy Tuna Harris, who did this program, probably used P and S.
That would make sense.
Starboard and port.
All right. So yeah.
And so, do we have a way to turn the boat?
Well, I guess turning
would
at this
be
point would be a little bit manual because you'd want to turn your right motor on.
Well,
left motor off.
No,
you can run the other one in reverse.
Yes, that's what we
want.
want.
We don't have single character commands for those yet.
We should do that. We should build those in. Let's put that in so we get quick turn, because we know for a slow turn, one motor stalled, one motor going, you get a sort of arc.
Right.
But if it was supposed to do a quick turn, you would want this one going the opposite.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's easy enough to put in.
Beautiful.
Yeah, adding new behaviors to this should be pretty simple in terms of like static motor values. It's not really set up to do any kind of sequential behaviors.
Yeah.
But right now, for static motor running at a single command, this is pretty much done.
Great.